everyone, it's Belina Jewel here, and today we're going to be doing this beautiful Barbie-inspired press-on nail set. The first thing I'm doing here is going in with my drill bit, and I'm just shaving the nail down just to take some of that shine away. Now, as we know, this whole summer has practically been a Barbie summer, so if you haven't got the chance, check out my previous videos linked in my description. I actually created and designed a Barbie outfit that goes with these nails, and a makeup look inspired by the Barbies from the 80s. And then I just buffed them out right before going in with my acrylic. I want to say that I actually started doing nails with acrylic and doing the press-ons and doing sets and things like that for friends and family during the pandemic. It really started, but I'm still getting used to this and I'm getting better with time. It's really difficult to actually do them so fast, and I am a beginner, so bear with me in terms of the application process. Design wise, I've been doing nails for a very long time. I've been designing nails since I was at least in 5th grade. I painted on my gel base and I cured that, and now I'm just going in with this really pretty nude because I just thought it would be nice to have like a French tip with maybe something very much Barbie like maybe a picnic type of design, like the picnic tables. This was actually a really exciting set to do because I absolutely love being extra with my nails. Like, I love having all types of crazy designs and colors and having long nails that are just extra. Like, I love being extra. Now, the other side of me is a fashion designer, so I sometimes am very frustrated when I have long nails because I can't grip fabric the way I need to, or sew properly, or take pins and needles out. It's a little difficult for me. I wish I could hang with all you long nail girlies. I can't function properly. It just doesn't work for me sometimes. This is why I make press-on nails. That way, when you want to take them off, or if you need to pop them off quick, you can do that. Now, I didn't get to show you guys the airbrush nail because my camera died because of how long it actually took to do that nail, but just know that it came out fire. But the crazy part about it is that, like, when you start doing nails, you realize how much actual work goes into it, not just the nail design. So for me, I focus a lot on just nail art, but as I've recently started getting into doing acrylic and gel and things like that, I realize how much time it takes, and the people in the nail salon are just elite. Like, I don't know how they do it this fast. It takes me at least 5 to 6 hours just to do one set, and I am trying my hardest to just keep improving, and I know that it just takes practice. So I'm very determined to keep practicing, at least with my press-on nails and on friends and family that do let me do their nails and don't mind sitting for the 5 to 6 hours they be sitting for. Now, another thing that I've been doing lately is just setting my creative intention, and by that I mean, what do you want to see more of in your life? So for me as a creative, a lot of the time we get caught up in productivity and, you know, keeping up with social media standards. So sometimes it helps to create a list of just your creative intentions of why you're even doing something in the first place, and what is it that you want to get from being creative. Like, do you want to have peace of mind when you're creating? Do you want to incorporate creating more effortlessly, or creating in a different atmosphere, or do you want to be known for doing something well? Like, what is the intention behind why you're doing it? And this kind of helps to just ground you when you're feeling a little creative block, or when you're feeling like just a worker bee and you're kind of just creating content of feeling lost while you're doing it. So that's just something I like to keep in mind when I'm doing any type of creative project. And this is how the press-on nail set came out. I am extremely obsessed with this set. I love the cherries, the colors. It just gives Barbie girl, and more than anything, it really just reminds me of my childhood, and that's always a plus. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more of my fashion, beauty, and nail content. You can also check me out on my other social media platforms in my description box below. Bye, Barbies!